Sometimes being alone is the best medicine to your soul. Don't give up. You are closer than you think. Be teachable. You're not always right. The meaning of life is to give life meaning. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Without rain, nothing grows. Learn to embrace the storm of your life. Have patience. All things are difficult before they become easy. Never make a permanent decision based on temporary feelings. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Your time is your most precious asset. Don't waste it. Don't count the days. Make the days count. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. You don't need more time. You need less distraction. Everyone leaves. Learn how to survive alone. Don't quit. Nothing lasts forever, not even pain. The way you speak to yourself matters the most. Never tolerate disrespect, not even from yourself. You can't reach what's in front of you until you let go of what's behind you. Before you act, decide. Before you decide, think. Before you think, focus. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Life has many different chapters for us. One bad chapter doesn't mean it's the end of the book. Stop waiting for the right time. Time isn't waiting for you. You do not find a happy life. You make it. Hardship often prepares an ordinary person for an extraordinary destiny. Your comfort zone will destroy your dreams. You only pass through this life once. You don't come back for an encore. Your past is a place to learn and grow, not a place to live. One day you will thank yourself for not giving up. Your failure does not define you. Your persistence does. Take the risk or lose the chance. When you learn to survive without anyone, you can survive anything. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Die with memories, not dreams. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. Your only limit is you. Accept what you can't change. Change what you can't accept. Problems are not stop signs, they're guidelines. Have enough courage to start and enough heart to finish. Dream as if you'll live forever. Live as if you'll die today. Be proud. You survived the days you thought you couldn't. If you stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Stop calling it a dream. Start calling it a plan. Remain focused. Your time is coming. Judge no one. Just improve yourself. Train your mind to be stronger than your feelings. Take a deep breath. It's just a bad day, not a bad life. If you believe it will work out, you'll see opportunities. If you believe it won't, you will see obstacles. Don't give up on yourself. There's a reason why you started. Win in your mind, and you will win in your reality. Making mistakes is better than faking perfections. Sometimes you can't see yourself clearly until you see yourself through the eyes of others. In the end, some of your greatest pains become your greatest strengths. It is our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. If you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone. A warrior is someone who gets up, even when he can't. Move with strategy, not emotion. It is a rough road that leads to the heights of greatness. Control your thoughts, or your thoughts will control you. Confidence is built by facing what you fear. The best things are yet to come. Trust yourself. Become a ghost. Forget attention. Just grow in private. Push yourself to be your best. No one else is going to do it for you. Wanting to be someone else is a waste of who you are. Life becomes easier when you learn to accept the apology you never got. If the world was blind, how many people would you impress? If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. The big lesson in life is never be scared of anyone or anything. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears.